Does Trustkill Records still owe you money? Do you just not get Rosetta? Are you wrongfully accused of breaking edge? Did you fall for that whole Krishna thing in the 90s? Did you not get to stage dive at a Bane show? Did someone trick you into listening to 18 Visions? Is the sun too bright for your sensitive, emo eyes? Do your skinny jeans hinder your reproductive function? Do you have nightmares about being called a faggot on Lamgo? I'm Rob Fusco, hardcore attorney at law, and I'd like to help you with that. Law! Are you butthurt that Vogel demanded more stage dives? Stage dive! Are you depressed that Syracuse, New York is no longer the vegan Third Reich it once was? Hardcore! Every day, my office tends to the needs of whiny, jaded hardcore kids just like you. I offer sound guidance for you in the troubled times of your late teens and early 20s, when everything you think and believe is right and everyone else is wrong. Do you want your $2? I don't promise financial compensation, but what I can promise is peace of mind and fleeting scene cred.
Scene cred not guaranteed.
Vans breaking down! Gas station food! Posers! T-shirts with sleeves! Non-ironic beards. I'm not really a lawyer! I'm Rob Fusco, and I'd like to help you.